Introducing to you the S-Meister, a stunning mechanical wristwatch that uses the traditional Japanese gold foiling technique known as Kanazawa Haku. This brand was made thanks to the extraordinary techniques and intricately beautiful aesthetics that are unique to Japan. This project brings 3 stunning timepieces to you, all which utilize traditional Kanazawa foiling techniques to decorate the dial. The Raijin, featuring an Ensuke gold leaf dial, the Fujin, which features a platinum leaf dial, and finally the Miyabi with a silver leaf dial. These watches are made using extremely precise manufacturing methods, which, if the watches are maintained correctly, means they can be used for many years to come. We hope that you can take one of these special watches into your own hands and experience the traditional craftsmanship that goes into making these beautifully stunning timepieces.